My name is Emily Ware. I work for my father's plumbing company. Being a part of the apprenticeship program has definitely helped me with my work. You know, the more schooling I've gone to, the better I get paid, essentially. Going to school has furthered my career.
My name is Alejandro Fritz. I'm a crew leader for the new construction and residential plumbing side for Deluxe Plumbing and Heating. The apprenticeship class really helped me with learning the codes and how things are just supposed to be done right. The apprenticeship program opened a lot of opportunities for me. It helped me get my journeyman's license, which I really don't think I would have passed without going to the apprenticeship program.
My name is Tristan. I work for MJ Ship Mechanical. I am a apprentice plumber. So now I'm a third-year apprentice, and I'm looking forward to taking my journeyman's license once I get done my fourth year. I consider myself an essential worker because one of the first topics we touched on in plumbing school was the plumber is the first safeguard of the potable water system.
My name is Jesus. I work for McHale's. I've been employed there 5 years now. I am a recent graduate of the PHCC program. The more you learn, the more confident you feel when you're talking to people about what their issues are when you go to their houses. The teachers at the plumbing school, they're great, they're very knowledgeable. They all have experience out being in the field, if not own their own companies.
My name's Paige Purdy. I work for Purdy Plumbing and Heating, which is my father's company. I'm a third-year plumbing apprentice and a second-year HVAC apprentice. My career goals obviously are to finish the program and achieve my journeyman's license, my master's license eventually. The teachers in the program are awesome. I can call them and they could drop everything and just help me out. They're really great guys, and they really teach you the tricks of the trade and the little things that make the job go smoother.
My name's Jesse Horn. I work for Horn Plumbing and Heating. We do sewer and water installations and utilities. We have a division that does HVAC and plumbing as well. The PHCC Plumbing School has afforded me a lot of opportunities that I wouldn't have had without being a part of the association. From our first test, that was our OSHA certification test, all the way up to my journeyman test.
My name is Tom Riches, and with my business partner Ron Evans, we own a company called John's Reliable Plumbing. For over the last 15 years, we have sent 9 apprentices to the local apprentice school. The valuable education that they receive there, in combination with, of course, their on-the-job training, has been very valuable to us as business owners and to the apprentice in general, because it adds to their confidence, to their competence, and to the advancement of their career.
So if you're looking for a life-sustaining career in the plumbing and/or HVAC industry, enroll in one of our local PHCC apprenticeship programs today. You have little to no debt, and you're earning while you're learning. Don't live near one of our local programs? No worries. Contact us at phcc.org for more information about our online program.